Hello guys, welcome to my channel Random and Wonder Wheels or my Arnab. Hope you people are doing well. थंबनेल से समझ तो गई होंगे आज हम लोग क्या 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 करने वाले हैं आज. जी हाँ, I have received my first drone of life. As you know that मेरे पास already एक्शन कैमरा भी था, Insta360 भी था. जो नहीं था वो था ड्रोन. तो मैं सोच रहा था कि अभी खरीदूँ थोड़ा बाद में खरीदूँ, इस साल खरीदूँ नेक्स्ट साल खरीदूँ. ये सोचते सोचते सडनली मैं देखा कि DJI का जो मिनी 5 प्रो ड्रोन लॉन्च होने वाला है वो 17th को लॉन्च हुआ है. तो लकीली the stock was available in India and I placed order, and today on 20th September I received the drone. चलिए विदाउट डीलिंग एनी फर्दर इसको अनबॉक्स करते हैं. आई जस्ट वांट टू शेयर माय हैप्पीनेस विथ यू ऑल. एंड नेक्स्ट व्लॉग से तो बहुत ही अच्छा ड्रोन फुटेज भी आप लोगों को दिखाएंगे. चलिए खोलते हैं. आई हैव जस्ट रिसीव दिस बॉक्स. जगह थोड़ा छोटी है तो इसे भी हम लोग को थोड़ा मैनेज करना पड़ेगा. चलिए इसको फटाफट खोलते हैं, फिर देखते हैं अंदर में क्या निकले. सो जब तक मैं इसको खोल रहा हूँ तब तक बोल देता हूँ. सो दिस इज एक्चुअली a drone which is DJI has launched to bridge the gap between Mini 4 Pro and the Maverick range, which you know that Maverick 4 जो ड्रोन जो अवेलेबल है ड्रोन DJI का इंडिया में, वो थोड़ा सा एक्सपेंसिव ड्रोन है. सो दैट विल बी कॉस्टिंग अराउंड 2.5 lakh rupees. वाओ. सो this was the outer package and this is a drone. so इसमें बहुत सारा फीचर दिया गया है which is actually very helpful. मैं लास्ट 2 दिन से ऑर्डर प्लेस करने के बाद 2 दिन से यूट्यूब में वही देख रहा हूँ कि इसमें क्या क्या नया चीज़ दिया गया है, लेकिन इसका पैकेजिंग इतना अच्छा किया है कि उसको निकलना मुश्किल हो जा रहा है. निकल गया जी, निकल गया. सो ये रहा DJI Mini 5 Pro. चलिए इसको बॉक्स को नीचे रखते हैं. हाँ, ये मैं बहुत दिन से सोच रहा था एक ड्रोन लेना है, तो यहाँ से लूँ बाहर से मंगवाऊँ. तो गुड पार्ट इज़ दैट द प्राइस for this in India and US is almost same. So कहाँ से इसको खोलूँ? चलो, just supposed to have one. There's supposed to be a green stuff somewhere from it to pin, but no problem. इसको हल्का से. So I think this is my first ever unboxing video ever. इसका पहले तो मैं जितना भी चीज़ें खरीदा अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियो नहीं किया. सो आई एम जस्ट गेटिंग यूज टू इट. सो फुली आगे जाके भी अगर कुछ नया लेंगे तो करेंगे ऐसे अनबॉक्सिंग, लेकिन और तो कुछ लेना नहीं है अनलेस आई रिप्लेस फ्यू प्रोडक्ट्स, तो जो कि अभी तो करना है नहीं. चलिए इसका प्लास्टिक उतार दिया. हाँ, from here you have to open this box. Yes, this is how it looks like. So I got a big bag here from DJI. I think this is a good part about DJI is, by the way, this is DJI 5 Pro Fly Mode combo. So it has got additional battery, which it claims that it will fly for total 52 minutes. It has got 3 batteries. So this is how the bag looks like. I think there's a change in this design. So this actually looking very premium. So DJI के bag generally, so the good part about DJI is, so this is, I call them that this is actually the Apple of, our travel equipment. So this is actually the DJI mini mic ka carry case. See the kind of construct this particular bag is having. So very nice, very premium, very presentable. So this is what it is. So this is the box where I know what I'm going to get out of it. So we'll be having some few propellers, I think 6 propellers and Type-C cables. So I'm not opening it for the time being, just keeping at the side and few stickers which you get from any DJI products. So this is the remote controller. So this is RC2. This is very advanced controller. It doesn't need to attach any phone to this. So this can fly independently. So this has got a large screen here. From here you can control the drone. So these are the 2 joysticks. इसका पीछे इसका joysticks लगा हुआ है, which I know. And these are some C1 C2 controllers, which is for controlling the drone. These wheels can help you in zoom in and zoom out, and changing your mode from horizontal vertical. So we're not going to fly it today. So I'm just going to, because I need to also do a little hands-on on this, so that I do not crash the drone. So this is the RC2 remote. The construct is very rugged. So it has got a rubberized grip to hold it firmly. So this actually how it works. It open this, and then it will connect to the DJI drone. इसको थोड़ा बंद करके रखते हैं, सेट करके रखता है. Very impressive, very impressive. The kind of quality you will get out of DJI, and the kind of features you will get out of DJI, and the kind of changes they are bringing in each and every version. So that is really commendable. Very difficult to match the performance of DJI. So this is I bought on myself. This is not a sponsored one. No one will sponsor also for the time being, with the less subscribers and all that. So this is the drone. I'm just going to unpack this once I show this. So this is actually the additional battery, right? So this is actually, as I mentioned, this is Fly More combo. So it comes with plus batteries. This is how the battery looks like. So they call it a plus battery. What I understand that so they have reduced the footprint of this battery. The earlier battery which used to get in Mini 3 Pro and 4 Pro is little larger than this. So, but this is smaller in size, smaller in footprint, but it is going to give you more flight time. So that is why they are claiming that the drone may fly for 52 minutes with this 3 batteries. यहाँ पे 2 बैटरी है, अंदर में ड्रोन के अंदर में एक बैटरी है. So you have to clip it like this. So these are the lights which will actually show you the strength of the battery. So I think if I glow like this, it's not working. I have to check. Either it doesn't have enough power. Anyway, so I'll put them on charge and see. So it is supposed to show the the health of battery, health of each battery here. So this is about the additional battery pack. Let me put it here. I need to also charge this in a while. So no problem. So do I have anything? So this is how the bag looks like, little bigger. I have to really plan how do I, you know, take this bag when I'm riding. आई हैव सम प्लान बट एक बार देखना पड़ेगा कि क्योंकि हम लोग थोड़ा सा प्लान करते हैं इसको ऐसे लेके जाएंगे वैसे ऐसे लेके जाएंगे, फिर बाद में समझ में आता है कि बॉस इसको तो ऐसा नहीं ले जा सकते. नो प्रॉब्लम, विल फिगर इट आउट कैसे इसको लेके जाएंगे. तो इसको भी अभी थोड़ा सा साइड में रखते हैं. बट द गुड पार्ट इज दैट so there is a blank space where this actual box was there, no, so this space is little blank. So if I want I can also keep my, you know, mic to this bag here. The mic took actually, this is DJ Mini, sorry, not mic to DJ Mini 2. So I can keep it here. I can, though I cannot keep it here, but it's only about when I'm you know, so I'm not, when I'm not riding and I'm going from one place to another, I can definitely, you know, use this bag. I can keep a lot of stuff here. I can also put my action camera here. I can also put my Insta 360 है, जगह बहुत ही है तो कोई इशू नहीं है, इसका भी साइड में रखते हैं. सो ओके, अभी आते द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ एवरीथिंग, दैट इज द ड्रोन. Here it goes. This is how it looks like. This is really small. This is my first experience of you know, seeing this product and feeling this product. So this is really small, so you can see that it is just fitting on my palm. Very small. I think this comes with a you know, lens guard. So this is where the clip, you have to open this clip and you have to then, so here the propellers, and you have to now remove the cover like this. Then here is your drone. So I'm not you know, so there, here is actually a small lock which is there to prevent any damage for your lens, which I'm not removing it right now. Maybe I will remove it tomorrow once I apply this, and I'll surely share a couple of footage of this. So this is how it, you know, how it should be. This is how it should be. So this is the omnidirectional you know, sensors. Here are 1, 2, here at on top there are 2, and in the bottom there are 2. So this has got omnidirectional sensors, so it is much improved than the DJI Mini 4 Pro drone. So it has got LiDAR sensor. So first thing, the big change I think what I can understand is that the camera comes with a 1-inch sensor now. So it is much bigger than the its predecessor. So the advantage you're getting of a 1-inch sensor is that it is going to capture a much more crisp and you know, in-depth picture. So this supports if 1.8 aperture, so which means that the lesser the aperture, it is going to capture much more details whenever it is capturing, whether it is you are capturing a photo or it's capturing a video. So it is going to deliver a crispier you know, crispier image. The another major change in this, which is I think the people are comparing this to the Mavic Pro 4, is that, so one is that it can rotate up to 225 degree. Mavic can rotate up to 360, but this can rotate up to 225 degree, but which is enough. I think that will you can capture much more cinematic shot with this 225 rotating. Second big change is that this now comes with the dynamic home location, which means that the earlier versions, so जहाँ से टेक अप करता है वहाँ को इसको होम लोकेशन सोच के उधर ही इसको लैंड बैक करता है, which means that अगर आप drone use करते करते say like people like us who will be mostly using drone while riding, तो हम लोग एक जगह से इसको फ्लाई करवाया तो हम लोग चले गए 5 किलोमीटर दूर, तो ना अगर हमको ज़रूरत पड़े कि इसको होम बटन दबाना पड़े, so home button is there in this remote. So this is actually the home button. The moment you press this home button, so automatically the drone will fly back to this home location. But the problem is that आप 10 किलोमीटर चले गए हो, so you cannot come back, right? So but the big changes here is that it dynamically adjusts its home location. तो अगर 10 किलोमीटर आप पहुंच गए हो, so it is going to figure out the RC location and it is going to come nearer, closer to you. आपको ज़्यादा दौड़ भागी नहीं करना पड़ेगा, हो सकता है थोड़ा सा आपको खुद को भी एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा to figure out that where this drone is landing. It has got most omnidirectional sensors, which means that the chances of crashing is lesser. It has got option like bypass and brake. So whenever it senses large obstruction, it will either brake or it will bypass, like trees and all that stuff. It will bypass. However, the problem with this all such drones are that sensors are not that strong that अगर कोई छोटा मोटा अगर कुछ आपका पेड़ का कुछ अगर ब्रांचेस सामने आ गया तो इट कैनॉट सेंस, तो उसमें क्या होता है वो जाके फंस जाता है, उसमें क्रैश होने का चांस ज़्यादा है. तो थोड़ा सा हम लोग को भी थोड़ा समझ के इसको उड़ाना पड़ेगा, सो दैट इट इज सो डैम एक्सपेंसिव, सो आई कैन नॉट क्रैश दिस स्टफ. सो वी है द बिल्ड क्वालिटी इज़ डेफिनेटली DJI का तो हर किसी का बिल्ड क्वालिटी बहुत ही अच्छा है, बहुत ही प्रीमियम होता है. And I'm happy to buy this version of the drone because while people are comparing between 4 Pro and 5 Pro, so I can really understand that this is really an advanced version. And जो भी मुझे चाहिए होता है तो इसमें हो जाएगा मतलब अच्छे से होना चाहिए. Now it depends on how I'm going to fly this because this is my first drone. क्रैश करेंगे, बट डेफिनेटली हमको थोड़ा सा तो फर्स्ट 1 or 2 फ्लाइज, अब पता नहीं 2-3 फ्लाइट्स हमको थोड़ा सा संभल के चलाना ही पड़ेगा. सो दैट इट इज. आई डू नॉट टू मेक इट अभी मेक इट अ लॉन्ग वीडियो, तो इसको कल हम सुबह इसको चलाएंगे. देन आई एम श्योरली गोइंग टू ऐड few captures so that you can also understand what you're going to get from our next ride. I'm sure that it is going to add few notches up than whatever I have captured in my Sangla videos. Sangla was it was breathtaking, it was fantastic. I was using DJI Action 5 Pro action camera, so it has done a fantastic job, but only thing is that I was not ready for that moment, so it doesn't matter. So I got many rides ahead. In exactly 6 days time I'm going to go for a long ride. कहाँ पे जाएंगे अभी तक इसको सस्पेंस रख रहा हूँ. A day prior or the day I'm starting, I'm surely going to share with you. My biggest interest to bring this drone now was, since I'm going there, I really wanted to capture few nice shots, capture a few good shots so that I can share with you all. Yeah, bye. फ्लाइंग टाइम गाइस। तो मैंने बैग में सब कुछ भर लिया है। So, मैंने कंट्रोलर ले लिया, ड्रोन ले लिया, एक्शन कैमरे भी ले लिया, जस्ट इन केस इफ हैव टू कैप्चर एनीथिंग यूजिंग एक्शन कैमरा। अच्छा, कल एक चीज़ मैंने एक्चुअली दिखाना भूल गया था। जो छोटा वाला जो बॉक्स है उसमें से एक्चुअली ये था। आई न्यू दिस बट समहाउ आई मिस्ड इट। सो दिस टाइम नो DJ has given this lovely piece of filters along with the drone. So generally आपको बाहर से अलग से खरीदना पड़ता है, but this is the first time that DJ has been shipping these ND filters along with the drone. So what it does is that this actually works like a sunglass of the lens. So it helps removing the ultraviolet rays and also it gives you a cinematic look of the capture. So be it photo or be it a video. So इसका भी ट्राई करेंगे। So आज हम लोग सिर्फ ND 80 करेंगे। ND 32 शायद थोड़ा डार्क हो जाएगा बाहर में जो भी है मौसम के लिए। तो चलो चलते हैं, सामने ही पार्क है, जाके उसको एक बार टेस्ट करते हैं। थोड़ा सा फ्लाइट करेंगे, थोड़ा सा कैप्चर करेंगे वीडियो एंड फोटो, फिर वापस आ जाएंगे। हमको भी थोड़ा हैंड्स ऑन करना है। तो सो लेट्स सी, लेट्स मीट देयर। कालिया इधर ही खड़ा है। तो हम लोग इस पार्क में जाएंगे, सामने वाले पार्क में। मैं भी थोड़ा अपना ND फिल्टर निकाल लूँ। यह है काली, यह है हमारा पार्क। उड़ाएंगे अपना ड्रोन। थोड़ा सा सेटअप वेटअप कर लेता हूँ, फिर चालू करते फिर।